Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy JRE. Right now we're gonna check out TAEYONG Wonstein Love Theory. TAEYONG x Wonstein. If y'all don't know who the f Wonstein is, Wonstein's that dude. You guys are just sleeping on him. He already got featured with Dio, Lehigh. Now TAEYONG? Bruh, what y'all doing? Hype it up. If your face are hyping him up and doing collabs, why aren't you? That guy's a G, bro. One of my favorite artists. Not coming up, but he's still like, I feel like he's just slept on, I feel. You can tell his talent, and I just like how interesting he is. But this is, I didn't expect this, so I'm pretty excited. So let's get into this, let's go, let's begin. TAEYONG Wonstein Love Theory MV, let's go. 3, 2, 1. This looks all ready to be what is happening? Oh, is that us? That's us. Wait, hold on. Oh, you checking out yourself on TikTok? 7 likes? Ah, hell no, you sleeping on my man's TikTok.
I think I'm falling in you.
Ooh, let's go, Wonstein.
내가 뭘 하는지 또 막 모를 정도로 I wanna be your Alexandro. I need a love dictionary. I need a love theory. I need you. I need 제발 말을 걸어주지만은 걔는 머릿속에 새하얘져 버리니까는 뭐랄 수가 있어야 말이지.
I love these collabs, bro. Look at TAEYONG.
아무래도 머릿속에 뭐 문제가 있는 건 같아.
Damn, he is obsessed with himself? Yeah, he got a lot of pictures of himself. I mean, if you look that good, I guess that makes sense, right?
아니면 기회는 없는데 지금 떠나가는 그녀를 잡아야 해. She's far away from me.
Hey yo, you see them? Hey yo, my God, you see them rays though? Whoo! Look at them sun rays, bro. They've been. You need sun. Is that what? Is that way?
I think.
Oh, that's cute. Also, if I ever get a pizza like that, I'd be like, what? Did someone just eat part of my pizza? They ate all the crust.
Falling in you, they're playing slowly.
You know who I want? TAEYONG and GPR Live. I think that will kill that. Wait. I'm a lovely fairy. I need a love dictionary.
I need a love theory.
Oh, and Wonstein is like doing to help him. Okay, let's go, Wonstein. What is it, Wonstein or Wonstein? Please correct me. Keep being nerdy. He's like teaching her how to be confident.
I think I'm falling in you.
Hey.
They're playing slowly.
This is just like a good song for beginning of summer, can I feel? Hey, we already know you can dance. Let's go. That outfit, I'm not even know what's happening there. Oh, he got an Astro Boy. In his what do you call this? This is a concoction. Is that a necklace? A concoction?
Wonstein.
Is that a love bomb? Is that?
But you got me feeling like.
Ooh. This man just grunt. My baby. Not like that. Sorry. Hey, better get that sun. Oh, we going for a love bomb? I like how it says like live for once.
러브 티어리에 뭐라 적혀 있어? 러브 티어리 잠깐 내 사진 잠깐. 그때가 우리 준비한 눈빛 보여주면 돼? 그 개슴치레하게 눈 떠야 돼. 사연 있는 남자처럼.
Nah, this is cute actually.
몰라 갔다 올게.
Oh, what did they talk about actually? Bro, I didn't expect this actually collab. Obviously, you know, everybody's gonna be talking about TAEYONG, especially on the SM station, but yo, this man right here, Wonstein? I think Stein. But killed it. Both of y'all killed it. Again, alright. Put a comment. I'm curious about you guys comments and what you think about this and of TAEYONG and Wonstein. Put a comment down below. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Keep on dreaming, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. Ooh, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an X-toe, that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.